In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an n8n template. If you've recently downloaded a template from the n8n website, GitHub, or perhaps some other source, this guide will take you through the process of seamlessly importing it into your n8n workflow environment. To kick things off, you'll want to open a new workflow. If you're already familiar with navigating around n8n, you'll know that the interface is quite intuitive. But if you're new, don't worry. I'll walk you through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. After opening n8n, head over to the Workflow section. You may notice a plus sign or an option to start a new workflow, which is exactly what you're looking for. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have your new workflow page open, direct your attention to the three dots, sometimes known as the Options menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the workflow window. These three dots hold a variety of functions that allow you to manipulate and manage your workflows efficiently. One of these options is crucial for our task today. Click on these three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you should see an option that says Import from File. This is the gateway to bringing your downloaded n8n templates into the system. Import from file might not be visible right away to a new user, but once you've found it, the hardest part is already behind you. After selecting Import from File, your computer will prompt you with the familiar File Chooser window. This is where you'll need to navigate to the location where your downloaded JSON file, that pulled the n8n template, is saved. If you're not sure where it is, check your recent downloads folder because that's usually where files land automatically when you download them from a website or repository like GitHub. Now carefully locate the appropriate .json file and select it by clicking on it. Once you've got the right file highlighted, look for the Open button, typically found on the bottom of the file selection window. Clicking this will send your chosen file into n8n. Finally, let's talk about what you should see once you hit Open. The template will populate in your workflow space. It might look overwhelming at first, especially if it's a complex template. However, take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. The visual nodes represent various tasks and processes mapped out for you to use right away. You can explore each node, adjust settings, or connect new integrations if needed. By following these steps, you've successfully imported an n8n template without a hitch. Whether you're using n8n for personal automation projects or more complex business solutions, knowing how to import templates efficiently will save you time and help you leverage the powerful automation main capabilities that n8n provides. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to explore further resources or reach out for more guidance. Thanks for watching.